This 2024 Rockwood G19 FDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Rockwood is 20 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 3, TV, oven, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, LP detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front dinette, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Rockwood G19 FDS is 3,569 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.